Come, little children, I'll take thee away into a land of enchantment. Come, little children, the time's come to...
Hello everyone, welcome back to my beauty channel. I have a very special look for you guys today. I received the Hocus Pocus X Colourpop Collection today, and I did a first impressions video on my main channel, which I will link down below. I highly encourage that you pause this video, go see that video, and then come back to us, okay? I'll give you like 3 seconds to do that. 3, 2, 1. I'm assuming you went to go see that video and then came back, so welcome back. I'm a little nervous because these are some bold colors and I have no idea what kind of look I'm gonna make today. All I know is that I want to use maybe like 3 shades of the palette, and then I'm obviously going to be using the lip that I got and then the falsies that I got. Wish me luck, do a little prayer, do a little dance. And today's look is going to be maybe looking a little weird because I lost my eyeliner. I think it was my child. I think she did something to it. But nonetheless, we're gonna make it work, alright? Alright, let's get started. So I'm just gonna prime my face first and foremost. I did clean my hands prior. And when I say clean my hands, I just wipe them with a baby wipe. I'm ashamed, okay? I'm just gonna dab a little bit on my eyes. I already did my eyebrows. So this is the palette. So what I'm gonna do is for both eyelids, I'm gonna go in with 𝓿𝓲𝓫𝓮𝓼 as a base. I should have started this video by saying that I am in no way a beauty guru, so please forgive me if I do things weird or wrong, plain and simply incorrect, okay? I am going through a learning process. I'm gonna go in with the same brush, which is my Morphe brush. I didn't even say that, sorry, bad beauty guru. And go in with the darker brown. I'm gonna go in with On Toast. And I'm gonna focus this mainly more on the outer corners of my eyes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna build up the color. I'm then gonna go in with this old Makeup Works brush with the shade Dead Man's Toe. So next we're gonna go in with this e.l.f. brush. This is called the eyeshadow C brush. And we're gonna go in with this dark wine color right here in the shade Night of Frolic. And we're gonna pack that even more towards the outer corner. I'm going to be taking this like angled brush that does not have a brand, very suspicious. And then I'm going to go in with this shimmery black, which is called I Call It a Buzz. And let's see, I'm going to see if I can make a wing with that. Hopefully I do. I've never managed to make wings with eyeshadows before, so if I do, this will be a first and you guys are witnessing history. So I'm gonna clean off some of this fallout because I just cannot. I cannot with that. So this is how my wing looks like right now. It's a hot mess. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the same to this side, clean it up, and then we're gonna continue and we're gonna put, this is not it. We're gonna put that glitter on the inner corners. So I will come back when I got this looking a little bit more presentable. Okay, sorry guys. So I went on like a wild goose chase trying to find my duo lash glue, and I found it. Yay! If you hear noise in the background, I have a house full of people, so yeah. These are the beautiful lashes that came with this collection. I think they had 3 different sets of lashes and I only got one, and it's called Flirty Witch. I think I just liked how this looked better than the other ones. Oh my god, guys, that was like the Olympics. All right, so I took the liberty to just finish the rest of my face makeup so that way we can just go straight to the lips, and that'll be the end of this look because my camera is giving me sad eyes. They're saying, okay bitch, like we're almost to our limit. We need to be charged, which the fucking camera was charged. Okay guys, so it is days later. I was editing this part of the video when I realized that my lips were not in frame. So like, what was the point? I'm gonna be refilming this part of the video for you. The lipstick is called Winnie and the lip liner is Come We Fly. We're gonna line our lips and then we're gonna put on the lipstick. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out Colourpop if you guys are interested in similar products. This was a limited edition collection, so sorry for those of you who couldn't get your hands on the collection even though you really wanted it. I hope you enjoyed this look. Please follow me on all my social media sites. I will have the links to those linked below in the description, as well as the link to my main channel and the first impressions video for this collection down in the description below as well. God, I almost forgot what I was talking about. Wow. I've been filming for like 3 hours, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm like out of it. So I'm just gonna end it there. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.